Do you have knee pain? How is your diet? Did you know that adding natural anti-inflammatory juices to your diet is an excellent way of reducing inflammation in the body? The juice you will learn to make today is a powerful anti-inflammatory, helps with weight loss, and benefits the liver and digestive system. Among the many benefits of turmeric, it's a powerful compound called curcumin that treats pain by acting as an analgesic and anti-inflammatory. Ginger, which belongs to the same family as turmeric, is another great remedy to naturally alleviate pain. We have a lot of recipes with both ingredients here on our channel. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Write down the ingredients. Fresh turmeric, 0.8 to 1 inch piece. Fresh ginger, 0.8 to 1 inch piece. 1 cucumber, medium-sized. 1 carrot, small. Check out this easy trick to recover withered carrots. Juice of half a lemon. 1 apple, unpeeled, optional. Thoroughly rinse all ingredients. You won't need to peel anything. If you can buy organic, it's even better. Next, cut everything into small pieces and put them in a blender. Slowly process the ingredients. Oh, we won't need any water for this juice. Use a carrot to press the ingredients onto the blender blades until it becomes a smooth paste. After that, use a cheesecloth to strain. If you don't have one, use a clean towel. Drink right after making, once a day. You can drink it a half an hour before your breakfast, while fasting, or 2 hours after your main meal. Now that you know this incredible anti-inflammatory juice that will help your body recover, why don't you try it and tell us how it went? Did you know this recipe already?